Imagine this. Joao, a 45-year-old businessman, was constantly feeling tired, sluggish, and struggling with bloating. His workouts lacked energy, and even his doctor warned him about high blood pressure. Frustrated, he decided to change his diet. That's when he discovered an unexpected ally: watermelon. At first, he thought it was just a sweet, refreshing fruit. But after adding it to his daily routine, something changed. His digestion improved, his workouts felt easier, and even his doctor noticed a positive shift in his heart health. Could watermelon really be that powerful? Stay with me until the end, because today, you'll discover why watermelon is a superfood, how it can help with weight loss, boost circulation, enhance workouts, and even improve your skin and overall health. But first, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and drop a like, because here you get valuable health tips every day. Inside watermelon lies a natural shield for your body. It's packed with citrulline and lycopene, two powerful compounds that reduce inflammation, lower oxidative stress, and help prevent issues like arthritis, heart disease, and even premature aging. No wonder Joao started feeling younger and more energetic. If you're worried about heart health and blood pressure, this fruit might be your best friend. The citrulline in watermelon converts into nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels, improves circulation, and helps lower blood pressure. Joao's doctor was amazed at the results. His numbers had improved without any medication. Now let's talk about something many people struggle with: bloating and cellulite. Joao used to feel heavy and swollen, but watermelon's high water and potassium content helped his body flush out excess sodium and toxins, reducing bloating and improving his skin's appearance. And if you work out, watermelon is the ultimate natural pre-workout. The citrulline and potassium in it speed up muscle recovery, prevent cramps, and provide quick energy, perfect for a powerful gym session. Joao noticed his endurance improving, and his recovery time was much faster. But here's where things get really interesting. Watermelon can also boost blood flow and improve sexual health. Yes, you heard that right. Citrulline increases circulation, which can naturally enhance performance in the bedroom. Some people even call it nature's Viagra. That's not all. Watermelon is also amazing for your eyes. It's rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which protects vision and helps prevent cataracts and age-related eye problems. But the big question is, does watermelon make you gain or lose weight? The answer depends on how much you eat. It's low in calories and high in water, making it great for weight loss. But if eaten in excess, the extra natural sugars can slow down your progress. Pro tip: if you eat watermelon at night, control your portion size to avoid digestive discomfort. So, how can you get the most out of this incredible fruit? Green detox smoothies. Blend it with mint and ginger for a powerful cleansing drink. Post-workout recovery. Replenish electrolytes and hydrate your muscles. Refreshing fruit salads. A light, healthy snack that nourishes your skin and body. Now, tell me in the comments, which of these benefits surprised you the most? Speak balloon if this information helped you. Drop a like and share this video with someone who needs to know about it. And of course, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because here you'll find valuable health tips every single day. See you in the next video.